Sometimes you write simple combinational code, but synthesis create a latch. Why does this happen? Let's understand. A latch is a level sensitive storage element. It holds the previous value when input is not defined. In combinational logic, output must be defined for every input condition. If any condition is missing, the tool assumes we need to remember the previous value, which creates a latch. Here, when select line is 1, y gets value a. But when select is 0, y is not assigned anything. So what should y do? It must hold previous value, and that requires memory. So synthesis infers a latch. Since output must retain its previous value, hardware needs to store element. That storage element is latch. Latch can also be inferred in many cases, like missing else, incomplete case, partial assignment, or even self-assignments like y equal to y. Now think about this case. Will it create latch? Yes. Even though all conditions are covered, this still creates a latch because y equals to y means hold previous value, which requires memory. How to fix that? To avoid latch, assign a default value first. Now output is defined for all the conditions, so no memory is required. Always make sure your output is assigned in all possible conditions. Let's summarize this video. Latch inference happen when output is not defined in all conditions, forcing the design to store previous value. Unintended latch infers is one of the most common RTL mistakes. Always ensure your output are assigned in all conditions to keep your design purely combinational. This is very important concept. See you in next video.